In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app with Bolt.New. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a generated app using Bolt's AI-powered builder, with clear guidance on what to click and why each step matters. First, open your browser and head to Bolt.New. This is the workspace where everything happens. Give the page a moment to load so the interface can initialize properly. You'll notice a clean layout with a navigation panel on the left and a central area where you'll describe what you want to build. Next, click Home on the left side. Starting from Home ensures you're in the main workspace and not in a previous project or a specialized view. It's the best place to begin a fresh build because all the primary controls, like the prompt field and attachment options, are easy to find and ready to use. Now, click inside the prompt box. This is the heart of the experience. Think of it as your creative brief. Describe what your app should do, who it's for, and the core features you need. Clear, outcome-focused language works best. For example, specify the primary screens, essential actions, and any data the app should handle. Keep your sentences straightforward and avoid vague terms. If something is important, like offline support or dark mode, say it plainly. The more precise your prompt, the better the initial build will match your intent. If you have supporting materials, click the plus sign next to the prompt to attach files or import from design sources such as Figma. This is especially helpful if you already have mockups, icons, or a style guide. Attach only what's relevant to your app's structure and look, and avoid including any sensitive information. Descriptive file names and well-organized assets make it easier for the builder to interpret your intent. When you're ready, choose the Bolt agent, then click Build Now. The Bolt agent is the AI that interprets your prompt and any attached assets, then assembles the foundation of your app. After you click Build Now, Bolt will analyze your description, map features to interface elements, and scaffold the underlying code and screens. This step may take a moment as it generates and connects everything. If your prompt is thorough, you'll typically see a strong first version that reflects your feature list and visual direction. That's the full flow. Go to Bolt.New, open Home, craft your prompt, add optional assets with the plus sign, choose Bolt Agent, and select Build Now. Follow these steps and you'll have a solid starting app built by AI, ready for your next iteration.